दिवस परेड के अवसर पर हिंडन एयरबेस स्टेशन गाजियाबाद में एक से बढ़कर एक वायु करतब वायु योद्धाओं के द्वारा। और यहां पर जो भी लोग आए हैं, चाहे वो वायुसेना से जुड़े हैं, चाहे फिर वो सेना के दूसरे अंगों के अधिकारी हैं या आम जनमानस, उन सब के लिए ये काफी गौरवपूर्ण लम्हा, रोमांच अपने चरम पर है। इस समय वायु करतब दिखाते हुए हवाई क्षेत्र की रक्षा करता है। और यहां इस समय ये हवा में कलाबाजी दिखाते वायु योद्धा साहस, संकल्प और समर्पण की मिसाल होते हैं। भारतीय वायु सैनिक, देश प्रेम इनके लिए सर्वोपरि है। मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए ये अपना सर्वस्व न्योछावर करने में कभी पीछे नहीं हटते। सभी की नजरें इस समय आसमान की तरफ हैं, जहां वायु योद्धा वायु करतब दिखा रहे हैं। एक से बढ़कर एक फॉर्मेशन, संयम, तीनों का शानदार समन्वय इस समय देखने को मिल रहा है हिंडन एयरबेस स्टेशन गाजियाबाद में। आकाश की ये गर्जना, ये उद्घोष, ये दुश्मनों को चेतावनी है कि भारत की मातृभूमि, भारत की सीमा पूरी तरीके से चौकस है, चौबंद है, सुरक्षित है भारतीय वायु सैनिकों के हाथों में।
The Su-30 will now carry out a figure of 8 in the skies. The Su-30 tags out for now. Ladies and gentlemen, get set for the Mach run. Do not blink your eyes, for you may miss the Rafale flying in from your left. Look left, ladies and gentlemen. And there she is at 0.9 Mach. Do notice the halos around her. Rafale now exits once again, making way for our very own Tejas. Look straight ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Tejas is now positioning for the loop. And there she pulls up. In a loop, showing off her curves and delta platform. Continue looking out. She now comes down for the Formula One turn. Watch her as she turns effortlessly a few hundred meters like Narayan Karthikeyan on a Formula One track. The pilot is now positioning onto your left for a slow pass. The ability of the aircraft to maneuver gracefully both at a high speeds and very slow speeds speaks volumes about its aerodynamic characteristics. Our homegrown Tejas shall demonstrate exactly that. Watch her as she rapidly drops her speed from 600 to 200 kilometers per hour. And there she is, Tejas in slow speed. The Rafale has yet another surprise for you. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your right as she flies in inverted. There she inverts, the pilots literally hanging on to their street straps. Keep looking at her as she turns at max rate to the right. Follow her as she carries out a half Cuban to demonstrate the exceptional maneuverability of the aircraft. And here she straightens, gear up for a high G barrel roll away from you. And there she is, halfway in a high G barrel roll. It's time now for the Transformers to sign out. Look right, ladies and gentlemen. Tejas is now positioning for the vertical Charlie. There you can see him flying inverted. And now rolls off for a vertical Charlie. And that's the bouquet of flares in the sky. Look straight ahead. Re-entering in beast mode is the Sukhoi 30. Watch her as she will execute the loop tumble yaw. There you can see the pilot pulling up for the loop. The tumble. And the yaw. She just said goodbye to all known laws of aerodynamics. And now she's ready to show yet another signature maneuver, the tail slide. Do notice that the aircraft will pull up into the sky. The pilot will make the aircraft stand on its tail and then make her slide back tail first. And there you can see the flares in the sky. Follow the flanker. She is now positioning for a vertical Charlie to bid adieu in the typical flanker style. Keep looking straight ahead. And that's the Su-30 carrying out a vertical Charlie and dispensing flares. Closely behind is the Rafale, who is positioning for a vertical Charlie. Look 12 o'clock straight ahead. Flying in from straight ahead. See if you can count the number of rolls. And the vertical Charlie as she touches the sky with glory. A salute to the courage and valor of our war heroes. A huge round of applause for Group Captain Manish Tolani, Group Captain Rohit Kataria, and Group Captain Shobit Mishra.
What a splendid air show, spectacular indeed, displaying the might and capability of the Indian Air Force. The IF reassures once again its countrymen to safeguard the country